Don't miss this newly updated, well-maintained, beautiful home. It offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a split floor plan. It also includes a spacious formal dining area in addition to a convenient breakfast nook in the kitchen. Large living room with extensive moldings and built-ins galore, as well as a gas fireplace. The kitchen has been fully remodeled with new granite countertops, backsplash, microwave, cooktop, stainless sink and convection oven. Each bathroom has been updated with new tile and new commodes. All of this in addition to a private fenced backyard perfect for entertaining. Not only is the house great, the location is great as well. This home is located in an established neighborhood with mature trees and close to everything on a quiet street. Special financing. Come see. Come buy.